Okay, this Mishnah is found in a Gemara called Baba Kama in the third parak, in the third chapter. We're going to study this Mishnah as a basis for our study to learn about car accidents and other types of damages that happen when people are traveling in the roads. And obviously the Mishnah is not talking about cars, but the beauty of Mishnah and Gemara is that it teaches us principles, ideas that we can apply to any situation in life. So here we go. The Mishnah starts by saying the following: Shnei kadarim shayu me'alchim ze achar ze. There are two people carrying pots that were walking one behind the other. One is following the other one. They're both carrying the same type of things. They're carrying pots, maybe to sell water, or maybe they're carrying other goods inside these pots. But the point is that both of them are walking, and one is in front and one is in the back. Says the Mishnah, V'nidkal arishon v'nafal. The first one tripped and fell, and then V'nidkal hasheni barishon. Since the first one fell down, the second one tripped over the first one. So what's the halach in such a case? The first guy fell down, the second guy tripped because of the fact that the first guy fell down. There's damage, obviously, the things that were broken. So who's liable? Is anybody liable? So the Mishnah says, Arishon chayav beniski hasheni. The first one, the guy who was walking ahead, is chayav. He's responsible for the damages of the second person. This is what the Mishnah teaches us.